Scrivener's Inspector lets you add information about your documents to your project, and the Corkboard lets you view your documents like index cards. Both features make long-form projects easier to manage. When you're not in edit mode, an eye icon appears at the top of the screen. Tap this to open Scrivener's Inspector, where you can add or edit the titles and synopses of items, and edit metadata for documents. You can also display the inspector by tapping and holding a document in the binder, or by double-tapping an index card on the corkboard. If you like to organize your documents using colored labels, or indicate their progress with status marks, you can do that here. For these to display in the binder, you must enable this in the project settings. To do this, tap the Settings gear, tap Binder, and toggle Show Labels, Tint Rows with Label Colors, and Show Status. You can also add document notes in the inspector, such as things that you want to add or change in a file. These notes aren't included when you compile your project. At the bottom of the inspector, you see Document Settings. You can toggle whether this document is included in the compiled manuscript, you can convert the document into a folder, and you can change the icon that appears next to the document title in the binder. You can add images to documents to display on the corkboard. To do this, tap Corkboard Image, then tap Choose, and select an item from your Photos app or from the Files app. If you've used the desktop version of Scrivener, you know that the corkboard is a way to view and interact with virtual index cards containing the titles and synopses of all the documents in a folder. If you tap the corkboard icon, Scrivener displays the contents of a folder on the corkboard. If the index cards show folders, tap one of them to see its contents. If a folder's contents are already expanded in the binder, the corkboard icon doesn't display. Tap the folder itself to view the corkboard. The corkboard gives you a visual overview of your project so you can see how it flows. If you tap and hold an index card, you can move it on the corkboard. This also rearranges items in the binder. If you tap on a card, Scrivener switches to the editor, where you can view or edit text. Tap back to return to the corkboard. As with the inspector, you can have the corkboard display label colors and status stamps. Tap the gear icon for a project, tap Corkboard, and enable these options. Get Scrivener for iPad and iPhone from the App Store.